Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your password on Talkie Soulful AI application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password on Talkie Soulful, firstly go ahead and launch open your Talkie Soulful application. The homepage of Talkie Soulful AI application will appear on the screen. Click on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen. You will end up on the settings page of Talkie Soulful AI's account. Now all you need to do is tap on Logout option. From the pop-up, click on Logout once again. As we have not set up a password for Talkie AI's account, what you can do is sign into your account by tapping on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Continue with Google. Choose a Google account and tap on it. It means that there's no need to change or even set up a password in order to log into your Soulful AI's account. This is how you can change your password on Talkie AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.